What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We took a little bit of a break here on the channel, but we're back. We're talking about Bahawat today. I've seen this on a lot of channels with rave reviews, so I wanted to check this company out, see their products for myself, and check it out on this channel for a review. That's what we're gonna do today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and consider doing so. We've got all that stuff out of the way, you guys. Let's go ahead and check out Bahawat. Now today we're going to be talking about beard oils, we're going to be talking about beard butters, and we have 3 scents in the beard oils that I love the most, and that's what I'm going to focus on. These do come in a 2-ounce bottle with a standard dropper top on top of it. They retail for $19.99. Poof! What a deal. That is a fantastic price for a 2-ounce beard oil. They have great labeling. They have all the information on the labels that you need. Now they also do come in a box, so it does have fantastic packaging. Looks like it came from a big box retailer, but just know this is still a small batch company. Now the carrot oil blend for these beard oils, that is really special. It does consist of golden jojoba oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, black seed oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, Moroccan argan oil, vitamin E, castor oil, and then your essential oils or fragrance oils. Now the black seed oil is really the star of the show. In my opinion, that was the most unique property that I really wanted to try out as far as a beard oil is concerned. It does a great job at anti-inflammatory, so it keeps that blood flow underneath the skin, really promotes great beard health and beard growth, reducing shedding. So I really did want to try that out. And let me tell you guys, feeling beard was fantastic. If I was having a bad beard day, all I had to do was put in some Bahawat beard oil and it was like a reset button on my beard. So it felt great. I had 0 complaints, and that right there was a main reason why I love this beard oil so much. And I really do think you guys should check it out. So let's go ahead and look at the 3 scents that I enjoyed the most from Bahawat. So the first scent that I have is called Your Majesty. This is a Mediterranean citrus scent. Now keep in mind with the black seed oil, that scent does have a spicy woody note to it. So that's gonna be incorporated in everything from Bahawat because that black seed oil is the start of the show, like I said. Now this scent, when I do smell it, I definitely get the citrus notes out of it, but it's really bright, really uplifting, really high end. It smells like a really good lobby of a hotel that maybe is on the beach that you would visit. It smells fantastic though. So if you're into the summertime scents, but you want something just a little bit high end, a little bit more of a sophisticated level, this is definitely a scent that you're gonna want to check out. Now another scent that I did love from Bahawat is their Barbershop scent. Now this scent right here, when I smell it, it's very manly, it's very masculine, but it's very clean. It does have that traditional barbershop to it, but it also still has that spicy woody note from the black seed oil, which I love. I think it incorporates a nice woody, clean barbershop cologne scent all in one take. So it is very clean, but it is very unique, and I love this scent. If you're a fan of barbershop scents, I don't think you'll have a problem whatsoever with this scent from Bahawat. So the last scent in the beard oils that I really did enjoy is Oriental Night. This is their Royal Oud scent. When I do smell this one right here, first thing that comes to mind is smooth, warm, rich oud. Has a little bit of spice in it, but it really does have that warm, rich cologne-esque scent. It smells fantastic, great for a date night, great for a day at the office. I think this right here is sophistication at its finest. So if you're into the clean, cologne-esque oud scents, right here from Bahawat, something you need to check out. Now I also got beard butters from Bahawat. Now there are 2 scents that I absolutely fell in love with. Now these retail for $15.99. They come in a 2-ounce glass jar container. Glass jars over plastic jars any day of the week. Plus the labels are on the side, so team stack all the way for stacking beard butters. Now the first scent that I did fall in love with is called Citrus Zen. This is clementine and lavender. Now smelling this one right here, whew. Absolutely refreshing. I love this scent. I think I used it off and on for 2 weeks straight. Felt great in beard, 0 problems with the beard butters. Comes out of the container super creamy, breaks down really well in your hands, 0 grit, 0 tack, and like I said, it was like I hit a reset button on my beard every time I put this in. Just a great scent. I loved this scent. If you do not try anything from Bahawat but this, I highly recommend you check out Citrus Zen either in the beard oil or the beard butter, and thank me later in the comment section because this scent right here is perfect for nighttime. Now the other scent that I did fall in love with is called Sleep Tight, and this is chamomile and floral. Now I know floral, everybody's thinking, whoa, whoa, whoa. No, not for me. Now listen, it's not really heavy on the floral side in my opinion, because you get a little bit of that black seed oil in there, so it does add a little bit of a woody note in my personal opinion. but I enjoyed it. I liked it. My wife liked it. So happy wife, happy life. Definitely the words to live by. So keep that in mind as well. But both of these scents were fantastic. I had zero problems with anything from Bahawat. I highly recommend this company to you guys. I think they're up and coming and off to a good start. I think that's fantastic products that they're putting out. Now they also do have some beard balms on their website, so definitely check that out as well if you're into the balms over the butters. They're on the website also. I hope you guys did enjoy this episode today. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, stay safe and stay bearded.